Welcome to our comprehensive comparison of Rapyd Cloud and WP Engine. Let's begin with the features. Rapyd Cloud offers a global fintech platform that simplifies the complexity of offering local payment methods. This includes card processing, bank transfers, e-wallets, and cash. WP Engine, on the other hand, is a WordPress-specific hosting service. It has features like one-click staging, automatic backups, and WordPress core updates. WP Engine also offers a suite of performance, analytical, and security tools. While both platforms serve different purposes, Rapyd's feature set is more specialized, focusing solely on financial transactions. WP Engine, however, provides a broader variety of web management tools. Let's talk about pricing. Rapyd Cloud operates on a pay-as-you-go pricing model with no setup fees or monthly charges. The costs are based on the transaction volumes and payment methods used. WP Engine, on the other hand, offers different plans starting at $25 per month for the startup plan, which includes 10 GB storage and 50 GB bandwidth monthly. WP Engine's pricing can be more straightforward and predictable, but if your business heavily relies on financial transactions, Rapyd Cloud's cost could be more efficient. In terms of user experience, Rapyd Cloud's API is designed to integrate seamlessly into any platform, making it easier for developers to use. WP Engine, on the other hand, is praised for its user-friendly interface and the ease of managing WordPress sites. However, it's important to note that you need to have some knowledge of WordPress to fully take advantage of WP Engine. Both platforms prioritize user experience, but in different ways. When it comes to integrations, Rapyd Cloud allows integration with various platforms and systems through its API, providing flexibility. WP Engine, being a WordPress-specific platform, integrates excellently with WordPress and its plugins, but may not offer the same level of compatibility with non-WordPress systems. The choice between the two would depend on your specific integration needs. Performance-wise, Rapyd Cloud boasts fast and reliable financial transactions globally. WP Engine, on the other hand, is known for its speed and reliability in hosting WordPress sites, with features like CDN and Evercache enhancing performance. Both platforms are highly reliable within their respective domains. Security is paramount in both platforms. Rapyd Cloud is PCI DSS Level 1 and GDPR compliant, ensuring secure transactions. WP Engine also takes security seriously, offering threat detection, daily backups, and a one-click restore option. Both platforms prioritize keeping your data safe, but Rapyd's compliance with financial industry standards gives it a slight edge. Both platforms offer robust support systems. Rapyd Cloud provides 24/7 support through email, while WP Engine has a 24/7 live chat and phone support. WP Engine also offers a comprehensive knowledge base and tutorials to help users navigate the platform. Both provide excellent support, but WP Engine's live support options may be more appealing to some users. After careful consideration, the winner is dependent on your specific needs. If your business requires a global fintech solution, Rapyd Cloud is the clear winner with its specialized features and flexible pricing. However, if you're looking for a robust WordPress hosting platform, WP Engine would be your best choice with its user-friendly interface, excellent integration with WordPress, and strong support system. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. We hope this comparison between Rapyd Cloud and WP Engine has been helpful. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. We appreciate your support.